Sony's The Girl in the Spider's Web, starring Claire Foy as punk heroine Lisbeth Salander, is due to get its world premiere at the Rome Film Festival, October 18-28, which revealed its lineup today. Director Fede Alvarez, the Crown star Foy and additional key cast are due to attend the premiere. Sony has set a November 9th release for the anticipated latest installment in the Millennium book series, which will see computer hacker Salander and journalist Mikael Blomkvist caught in a web of spies, cybercriminals and corrupt government officials. Sylvia Hoeks, Lakeith Stanfield, Stephen Merchant, Sverrir Gudnason and Vicky Krieps also star. The festival will host a strong lineup of movies including Bad Times at the El Royale, The House with a Clock in Its Walls, If Beale Street Could Talk, and Boy Erased. The event will also show the first 2 episodes of Chung-Uk Park's first TV series, The Little Drummer Girl. Jeff Bridges, Dakota Johnson, Chris Hemsworth and John Hamm are expected to attend the Italian premiere for opener El Royale. Closer will be Italian director Paolo Verzi's Rome-set comedy Notte Magiche.
Festival guests set to take part in a stellar lineup of on-stage conversations will include Martin Scorsese, Kate Blanchett, Sigourney Weaver, Michael Moore and Cannes artistic director Thierry Frémaux, who will discuss the future of festivals. Scorsese and Isabelle Huppert will be feted with Lifetime Achievement Awards.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.